What's up everyone? Welcome to a new episode of First Time Recycling. Got myself Hiro here, and today I wanted to show you some cycling shoes that I got from Kescoo to replace my Shimano entry-level clipless pedal shoes. So let's just get right to the unboxing.
So this package does include cleats. These are Delta cleats, perfect for Delta indoor cycling and road biking. But if you are only road biking, I would recommend the spd-sl cleats, which are not included but available on their website. The package does also come with the hardware necessary for you to mount your cleats onto the bottom of the shoe. It also has instructions for care, warranty, and installation instructions as well. The upper part of the shoe is made out of a high-strength synthetic material with a mesh insert, which is instantly felt when you put your foot in there. It feels very airy and breathable. The bottom, right there where you see I'm shaking the shoe and that noise, is the SPD-compatible mountain bike cleats. The sole is also made of a multifunctional nylon sole and is compatible with spd-sl cleats, as I mentioned before, and it also has that cool carbon fiber design. The Velcro, the buckle, the mechanism, everything feels as it should, and no complaints there. It's packaged well, and I'm a happy camper there.
Just real quick, I just wanted to show you guys the difference. I mean, they're very similar, but different in price. This is Shimano and this is Kescoo. So I mean, just by looking at it, it looks pretty similar, like the design. And the weight is very similar as well. So they're pretty lightweight. I'm sure there's lighter, but this is light enough for me. And there's lots of breathing areas for when you're cycling, just like on the Shimano. Very, very similar. This is my current road biking shoe, but you know, I just wanted one that matches my bike, which is why I went with this one. So I can't wait to try it out. Right now, since it comes with the Delta cleats, this is for a Peloton, I'll be trying it out on Alvin's Peloton and seeing how they do. So yeah, let's just get these cleats put on and aligned to where I want them and try them out. All right, just got off that Peloton, getting kind of sweaty here. But you know, this isn't the end-all be-all shoe, but for the price point, it's a great shoe. I'm very satisfied with it. It's, you know, if you're looking to replace your Peloton shoe, this is great. If you're just starting out using clipless pedals, this is a great option for you. So the only issue I noticed when I was on the Peloton was there's a little bit of flex here on the shoe itself. The sole is very solid, so there's no problem there. But it's not a deal breaker. But if it's something that you don't like, then I would consider something that's made out of leather instead of this material. And a positive thing was you can feel how airy it is. When you put your foot in there, you just feel like air flowing through it. And I think it has to do with these big openings here. The bottom also has some too, and I'm sure I'll feel it more when I'm on my road bike. But the cleats felt tight, super tight, especially on the first clip-in. The benefit also with these Delta cleats are it comes with this little rubber pad here that I didn't notice on the Peloton shoe that comes with Peloton. And it's nice, you know, when you're walking on your hardwood floors, you don't want to scratch it up on just the body of the cleat. So that was a good feature. Straps are in the good location. You know, like when you're putting your foot in there, you put them and you could tie them all the way. They felt good. You know, my foot felt good on there. The only thing was that flex. If you guys are interested in purchasing these shoes or checking out the full description, we'll leave the link down below. And if you don't have a Peloton and you only have road bikes, you can use these spd-sl cleats that's also by the Kescoo, and we'll leave that link down below as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this review, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and stay tuned for our future rides where I'll be using these shoes on our next road bike ride. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Woo! Peace out, guys.